gonna try to get some orange bird cookies and cupcakes and all that, and we're gonna eat them. There they are. Oh my god, that's so cool. Hello. Hello. I could just like pick them out now? Yeah. All right, can I get the orange bird cookie? The orange, one of all the orange birds.
Okay, perfect.
Just to make it easy. I'm doing an orange bird mukbang. For real. All right, cool. Thank you. Let me just get a drink. All right, I'm gonna put these in my backpack, but yeah, I gotta find a place to eat it because it is kind of sunny out here. I don't want it to like melt. All right, we found the seat. Now we're just sitting down. Look at these. I accidentally got chocolate on its eye already. Yo, this stuff is melting like crazy. So this is the orange bird candy apple. This is the orange bird Rice Krispie treat. And this is the orange bird cookie. I'm gonna try this first because this one looks good. I really like the texture on this one. This one's like, this is like an orange frosting.
Look at the, they're like dancing. I can't. Okay,
Yeah, this one's just like a sweet orange frosting Rice Krispie treat. I'm just a really big Rice Krispie fan. I'm gonna give this like a 8 out of 9, 8.9 out of 10. Time to eat this. I'm not really an apple person, or a candy apple I mean, so we'll try it anyways. I think I did this wrong. There we go. It's not as bad as I thought. I'm just not a fan of candy apples though. So I'm gonna give this one like a 6.5 because the outer part is really sweet, but not like thick enough. I wish there was like a bigger layer. Still not bad though. Just not a fan. And then finally, one of the most simple ones right now, cookie. This is so messy. Oh my god. Like, I can't even avoid it. Oh my goodness. This cookie's it's inflamed. Look at that chocolate melt. Look at that. It's crazy. Problems was I didn't eat breakfast today. This is kind of my lunch. Not smart. I am having an extreme tummy ache. I am not feeling good. I am feeling really bad. All that sugar at once making me feel very, very upset. Yeah, so I mean, it was all good and all. It's just I should have probably thought this through. The Coke Zero is not helping. I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching, by the way. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It will help out the channel. We're always making vlogs and content, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.